Hi. So we're on the bus downtown, or headed downtown. So that we're having a girls' night with our mom. What are you looking for? Right there.
Do you need a sweater?
Because no, she doesn't have a sweater in there.
Oh yeah. Right.
Mom just brought a bathing suit. We have sweaters in there. Yeah, the spaghetti factory, and then I think we're going to our stepmom's house to go swimming. I'm excited. It's a girls' Thursday, random girls' Thursday night. Apparently this one, because this was on a dad's house, so we're just hanging out. Yeah, we'll catch in a bit. As of right now, we're doing nothing, so. So, we're off the bus. I can't, the sun's in my face.
We're off the bus and the sun's in my face.
And we're here.
Can I cut it?
Yeah, let's cut it. We made it to the spaghetti factory. So it looks like Voldemort. We have a 15-minute wait. That was our mom. And the mom! Mom! Hi. That is our mother. That is our mother. This vlog is gonna be just, I don't even know.
We might go walk the ocean.
We're not gonna go walk on the ocean. We're gonna go swimming.
It's video day.
Yeah, I know.
Nice ocean.
We're gonna go swimming at our stepmom's house after this. But we need to eat because we're all starving. Why do you look like Voldemort? And the sun is hitting directly in the face, so it makes it look like. And then watch, I put my hand up. White balance is my favorite thing.
And also, apparently, we're white Americans.
Yeah, apparently we've changed nationalities to Americans, and I don't know how that happened, but it did over like 2 seconds. So there you go.
Any of that paperwork.
We didn't have to do the test or the paperwork or anything. We just magically turned to Americans. Pretty great. So we've just learned that our mother is deaf because I said we're gonna be the most obnoxious people in the restaurant because we obnoxious people. And she thought I said the most obnoxious people in Russia. So now apparently we are white Americans from Africa and we're the most obnoxious people in Russia.
Uh-huh.
Who would have thought?
The smartness.
Crazy, huh?
What is going on?
Sup?
The music keeps turning on right
It's
away.
really weird and we don't know what it is. Okay, so we're at this like booth. We always get this booth in mind. And there's just books. And it's perfect because the three of us are like huge readers. Like, we love reading. I mean, our mom's literally a librarian. And
So now you can hear the music again.
yeah, it's really weird. I don't understand. Okay, so anyways, so we have the thing of us, the three of us have a thing where she's Piglet, I'm Pooh Bear, and our mom is Christopher Robin. And we found this book, Piglet Meets a Heffalump, and so we were reading it. But she's sore, so we're not allowed to read anymore of it.
We're not allowed to laugh.
We're not
really
allowed.
hurts right here.
She thinks she popped a rib out. We're not allowed to laugh anymore because she's sore. So we have to be serious right now. But I think we're still going to Mom's house after this.
Yeah.
To go swimming. I think we're probably
Hopefully
just
they'll
gonna
swim.
Hopefully, as of right now, I think we're all just gonna sit in the hot tub because all of our backs are sore.
Chiropractor. I don't even know what he did to my back.
Yeah, I don't even know, man. My back is sore from Cairo today. But we got salads. We got our starter salads. I barely ate any of mine.
I finished mine.
And the other two finished theirs. And the raspberry lemonade tastes like dish soap and it smells like dirty diapers right here. So, Kate, the music's loud again.
Whoa, weirdo. What is going on?
I don't understand what is happening. Okay, and I also got bored, and it's like the back of this like thing that they put on the table.
That's called placemat.
A paper placemat. I drew a fox for our cousin Boo because she really likes foxes. Is that the right word? Foxes?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Is that the plural of fox? Fox eye. The plural of bye. So the audio is not gonna be great because we're blasting musicals. I have Mom. They almost dropped them. I have It's a couple days later. I think it's a couple days later.
From Thursday.
We went on Thursday.
Thursday.
Yes, it's Saturday. So it's been a couple days since the last time we talked. The night kind of ended very suddenly. There was a little mishap with someone and an injury.
Yeah.
But now we're headed downtown to play Pokemon Go and to go for a walk. We have we have coleslaw, or say we have sandwich, and in the front we have our moms. So we got to the breakwater. It is, who are you calling?
Sam.
It is V Cold.
Other Sam.
Moms are back there somewhere. They're right there.
He's
Just standing at the car. I don't know why. It's very windy, and ignore the huge zit on my nose. And right here,
And don't forget to subscribe.
they're everywhere, y'all.
Don't subscribe. Please subscribe. No.
It's really windy, so I'm sorry if the audio's shit. The next like 10 clips probably will be shit. But I'll try and update y'all.
Warning, this has swearing in it, so.
No, I'm gonna bleep this right now.
Oh.
I'm gonna bleep it. I'm a family-friendly content provider. She's got the phone, guys. So yeah, I'm sorry about the wind and the audio. It's gonna be crap, right?
Yes.
We're gonna go walk 1 second. Cause there's our moms. Say hi, Mom. Stand on her phone. This is coleslaw. This is a coleslaw. And this is the sandwich. So we're on our way to the breakwater.
I'm Stinky Bob Joe.
No, you're Dickie Don Joe.
Apparently, I don't know how to end videos because it just ended. That was the last clip we had. I don't know what the other clips were. So the second night we ended up going for a movie, and then we went home. That was about it. That was our night. And haven't done much since then. So, yeah. It was also like a week ago. I've just really been putting off this video. Okay. So, I guess we don't have any more clips. This is the last one. So, like, subscribe. I don't know. Do what you gotta do. I don't care. Bye.